how are we? So I woke up this morning thinking about banana bread, as you do, and I decided just to come down and mix some. So yes, I am in my jammies. I seem to do quite a lot of cooking in my jammies. I know maybe most chefs would go, really? Anyway, it doesn't matter. So we are going banana bread, but with oats. Ooh, no flour. So I've got 2 cups of just regular porridge oats, and I'm putting it in my NutriBullet. So if you've got a blender, stick it in your blender. Okay. Now I'm just going to whiz that up first, just very briefly. Let's give it a whiz. So it doesn't have to be major, just breaks it down a little bit. Now we also have. I've got 3, they don't look very appetizing, 3 squished up bananas. Sometimes we have no bananas in the house because they get eaten all the time, and sometimes we've got some left over. So if I've got some left over that are starting to go yucky, I take the skins off and I stick them in the freezer. And that's what these are. These are my frozen bananas. So to defrost them quickly, I literally just put them in a plastic bag, I put some warm water in the basin and just sit them in there for a minute or 2, and that defrosts them. So they're going in. We've also got 1 teaspoon, there's my teaspoon, of bicarbonate of soda. Okay, so that's going in. And we've got 2 eggs, so the eggs are just going in. Eggs are going in. I've got now. The recipe that I was going to follow has got a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I've run out, so I've literally got an 1/8 of a cup there. And what I'm going to do, because I haven't got any honey, I've got any agave, I've got anything else that I can use, so I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. I love using coconut sugar. It's got a little bit more of a toffee taste to it. It's slightly better for you. Yes, it's still sugar, but it's slightly better for you. And I'm also, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to put in a little bit of maca powder. It's like just a fantastic, you know, naturally high in fibre, natural source of protein. It's just a bit of a superfood. Okay, it's coming, you know, lots of studies. I can't speak this morning. But it's really good, you know, for lots and lots and lots and lots of different things. So that's going in. We're going to whiz it because obviously the dust is here, and I'm going to put in some chocolate chips. But that's literally just dark chocolate. That one I think is 74%. So I'm going to whiz this first, then I'm going to do that, and then it's going in the oven, and that is it. I'm going to pull my jammy bottoms up, excuse me. So let's give this a whiz. Okay, now if you wanted, you could add some nuts maybe, you could add some seeds, but I have promised the girl I will keep it easy. So I'm literally going to pour that in. Does it smell nice? It is quite thick, but that's okay. Actually, I think I might take the bottom off it, it might be a bit easier. Sometimes the NutriBullets are a bit tricky to get stuff at the bottom if it's quite thick. Let's just get that spread down. Do you ever wake up thinking about food? Is that just me? It could very well just be me. I'm a bit weird about it. I love food. Talk about food, love shopping for food, love making food, love eating food, love everything about food. It's sad really, isn't it? Oh. Love what you love, my people, love what you love. So this is going to be quite, that one, there we go, that's what I'll do. I'm just going to give that, it's just got a few Oaty bits from the bottom. So I'm going to give that a bit of a whish. And now, this is my favourite thing. My son bought me this years ago, my mezzaluna. So I am going to chop up my chalk, my mezzaluna. Mezzaluna, half moon. Where is that half? A 1/4 moon? I don't know. I love it anyway. The lunar bit is the moon bit, I know. Do you know what? I think I've actually used the wrong dish. I've used the wrong dish for that, so I think I'm going to change it. And that's actually too much chocolate. Get my measurements all rubbed down. See, sometimes find at the seat of your pants. That's not quite work. Right, that's enough of that. Let me see. I think, actually, instead of making banana bread, I'm going to make them into little muffins. That's what I'm going to do. So, I'm just going to grease that with some butter. Just go around the outside, just quickly. Okay, so I'm going to pop that in here. Yeah, let's have banana muffins today. Okay, now remember, because these are oats, not really flour, it's not going to rise. Actually, I suspect you could probably make them into mini muffins. So they'd be quite dense. There we go. Now we need to add in some chocolate chips. So I have got way too many chocolate chips. I'm going to give it a bit of a stir with a teaspoon, which I haven't got. It's in the dishwasher. You got one here? Yeah, I've got one here. Look at the mess I've made. Okay, so just giving that a bit of a mix. So the chocolate's inside. Perfect. Now, let's just get the last little bits of the mix. Pop it on top. You would have some more if you used the right container. This one's just a bit too long for the amount. So we don't want it too flat. Let's just pop a little bit more on that one. Pop a little bit more on this one. Ooh, I'm looking forward to these already. So you're getting your oats in, you're getting your bananas in. Perfect. You're getting a little bit of the good stuff of the dark chocolate. Excuse me. And they're going to go in the oven. 180 for about, I think about 20 to 30 minutes. I will tell you once they're back out and we see. Okay, bye. Hello, so back again. Well, I still haven't got ready, as you can see, because there's no makeup on here. I'm just about to go and get ready, but since the banana muffins, they worked really well, but they didn't last long enough for me to take the video for you. So this is what is left. See that? Oh. So we've got 3 left. They're really nice, quite dense, and they were in for 20 minutes. I would probably leave them for about 15 to 18, I think. Just a little bit squidgy. But they did rise a little bit, and they were really nice. And the daughter ate hers by itself warm, and the hubby and I had ours with some Greek yogurt and some berries and some nuts, and it was lovely. So give it a try, let me know. Remember, there's loads of other recipes on my website and on YouTube channel. Just look for Elaine Luck Wellness. And yeah, let me know what you think of them. See you next time. Oh, by the way, here's the picture of it with the berries and the nuts and seeds. So remember, good all-round breakfast, brunch, whatever. Okay, I better go and put some makeup on now. Okay, bye.